I am so excited to show you these 10 cheap home improvement projects that add value to your home and elevate the vibe to a more luxurious feel. No matter your budget or DIY experience level, these simple and affordable ways to update your home will give you ideas on how to transform just about any space in your house. Number 1 is creating an entryway spot. This is the first thing that you and anyone who comes inside will see. So having an eye-catching entryway point is not only practical but also sets the mood for the time that is about to be enjoyed in the home. This is a cheap home improvement project that will add value not just financially but also in appeal. Number 2 is by adding some textured patterns to your doors. Think closet doors, pantry doors, and barn doors. These textures add an element of luxury to your old-fashioned doors, and it is a very simple and cheap way to update your home while bringing a modern touch to your space. Depending on the pattern and material you choose, you are looking at anywhere between $20 to $60 per door and a few hours worth of your time. Number 3 brings us to wallpaper. Don't be afraid to experiment with eccentric and fun patterns like maximalist wallpaper designs that bring a mix of fun and classic to the room. Or you can play it safe with more neutral colors and having patterns to add a touch of playfulness to the space. There is still so much more, so make sure you stick around until the end. These DIY home improvements on a budget go beyond just painting your walls, as that is the most obvious start. You will find atmosphere-changing ideas like lighting and hardware, as well as room-transforming ones like the wallpaper and textured doors you saw. Moving on to number 4. Light fixtures. Change the ambience and atmosphere of the room by changing out the old, outdated fixture or even adding in a few more. If you don't have a nearby power source, check the video description for a link to a rechargeable bulb. And don't be afraid to add multiple light sources throughout the room for a warm and cozy vibe. Don't underestimate the influence that curtains can have on a room. From casual and neutral tones to bold and eye-catching designs, curtains allow you to accessorize the room and give the space just the right flavor. If you already have curtains, try raising the bar to the top of your ceiling and adding longer curtains to open up the space. Next is faucets and hardware. Let's start by adding some more luxurious and modern hardware to kitchen cabinets and bathroom vanities. This simple facelift will bring your cabinets back to life even if you opt not to paint them. This definitely falls into the DIY home improvement on a budget category. Depending on the hardware style you choose and the amount you need, the price can vary. However, you can do this upgrade from as low as $50 to $200 if you opt for bigger, more expensive handles. Another inexpensive home improvement that you can do is swapping out those builder-grade faucets for much nicer ones. You can find nice quality faucets for less than $35 on Amazon. We have a link in the description below to help you upgrade on a budget. Number 7 is to paint some doors. This cheap, easy DIY home improvement project will transform your space night and day. Don't underestimate the power of a paint job. It's a simple way to bring life back into your space without much cost. Moving on to number 8, frame your mirrors. This includes closet door mirrors, room mirrors, and bathroom vanity mirrors. This really is something the builder should have done initially, but it's on you now to finish the job. It not only adds a touch of elegance, but it also just completes the look and ties the whole room together. Coming in at number 9 is to paint your cabinets and vanities if you haven't already done so. This can be done yourself or by a professional depending on your skill and budget. However, this home improvement is probably one of the biggest day and night transformations you can do to a space. Bringing a refreshing coat of paint onto your vanity or laundry cabinets can be a quick way to spark joy every time you walk into the room. Last but not least, plank boring spaces. This includes kitchen islands, fireplaces, entryways, hallways, and so on. Doing this small home improvement adds texture and character, which are two important elements when you think high-end.
Thanks for watching! Let us know in the comments below which idea was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content from Buzzworthy Ideas.